Hello friends, today we would be discussing about how easily you can build a workflow where you do a video analysis with TwelveLabs MCP and connect it with the Notion MCP with the help of Claude Desktop. So let's directly jump to the Notion first and have that MCP ready. So this is my Notion page, you can see. I will just directly go to the settings. On settings, you can see connections. In connections, you can see Notion MCP, explore, and here is the Claude. So I will just connect it, and I'm already logged into the Claude, so it directly showed me the card here of that MCP. So I will just click on connect, and here it's ready now. It's just getting connected to the workspace which I have selected, and yeah, it's ready. You can see the Notion here. You can see all the tools which are there in the MCP. Now let's get to the TwelveLabs MCP. So here in TwelveLabs MCP, you can see what all you can do. You can do video index management or search or analysis or creating video embeddings. And here is the whole instruction you can see to connect it with the Claude Desktop. So we'll see how you can connect it with the Claude Desktop now. Okay, so you can see my Claude Desktop window here. And now I need to get this configuration. Okay, so I'll just copy this. We'll go to settings. I can just go from here itself, go to manage connectors. Here there is a developer mode and edit. So on clicking to the edit config, I came here to the Claude Desktop config.json. So I will paste that MCP server here. Here you can see this is the main URL, and now I need to configure my API key so that I can actually do analysis or run other toolings on the videos I already have in my TwelveLabs account. So you need to generate API key from TwelveLabs Playground. So let's get that API key. So you can just directly go to the TwelveLabs Playground and get that API. As soon as you apply your API key at that place, do save that file and open the Claude Desktop again so that it reloads the configuration. And now you can see here we have TwelveLabs MCP and Notion both here now. Here are all the tools which you can see, and we'll see how you can use it effectively. So let's go to my TwelveLabs Playground, and this is the playground which I will try to interact with, and we'll see like how effectively and like it's like just with one prompt it will just do all the instruction following and doing the analysis, storing it to the Notion. So let's see. So let's now start the experimentation as we have both of the MCPs. So here you can see uh, the prompt is, could you please find the context window video from my educational videos and generate a blog as per the discussion happened in the video content, because we need a specific analysis happening in that, and then we need to store it in the proper markdown rendered in the Notion page. So yeah, let's see how does it goes. First it needs to have a well-defined steps of what all needs to be done. So here you can see it just searches of, because we have not provided any index ID or video ID, so it needs to do find. So it finds like the educational videos, and here is the index ID it got, and now it's trying to get which video there is a discussion on the context window is happening. And you can see this is the first video, and it already found like what is the context window unlocking. Now the third step happening is generating text from a video, and it already wrote a prompt like generate a detailed summary of the video content discussing all key concept, technical details, examples and insights. So yeah, you can see the response here, the text, the summary, everything. This is to get like more details. Okay, here the type was summary, and here you can see it's open-ended, so it will extract like more of an detailed insights, as in you can see performance benchmark or research findings cited or something like that. Here we get all like the brief analysis about it. And now the final step, we need all this analysis happening to be stored as a blog post. So it's first searching for like Notion or connected sources. So we have connected with my one of workspace. As soon as the generation will get over, you will get a button of giving the permission to trigger the function. The other way out is you can just go to the setting and change the setting to have like no permission or any specific specific toolings where you need the specific permission, but at this moment, as by default, it's for like the trigger needs to be happen for all the tooling functions. So you can also remove that function. Here you can see it created a page, and here it provides all the details and also the page link. Okay, so let's go to the page link. And here you can see understanding context windows, unlocking secrets of large language model, and you can see it's like well crafted. You can see what are context window, basic concept, tokenization, how model process context, modern context window capabilities, and the whole detail here. So this is how you can like do a lot many stuff. So as you can see here, with the help of connecting the MCP of TwelveLabs and the Notion, you can just store or do more research and store it as soon as you don't need to do or well craft your Notion, and it saves a lot of time. So here it's like already ready to be published kind of a blog. So you can just save a lot of a time and explore more of a use case around video to blog or video to draft or video analysis to storing into a Notion or any other drafting. Yeah, thank you.